Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Alexis Clemens.
Well, it is a gorgeous end to July. We're looking ahead towards August, though. The first few days, we're going to start with your forecast takeaways. The three things that you really need to know this week. We're going to be a bit hazy tomorrow. Not going to be too bad out there. The air quality is still going to be good to moderate. We're also going to be mostly dry this week. We're really not seeing a lot of rain chances on the way. However, humidity is going to be on the rise. Typically, when humidity increases, we're going to see more rain chances. I don't think that's the case this week, but it is going to feel a little bit more humid out there. We're going to start with the smoke cover, though. Currently looking at kind of the north, or rather the southern central part of Canada, so just north of International Falls. We're seeing this little waft of smoke that is making its way to the south and east there. And I think it's going to kind of be over mainly eastern Wisconsin here. So let's take a look. Just FUTURETRACK with your smoke cover here. So the peninsula there of Michigan, we're also seeing near Green Bay. Those are the areas that are going to see more of that smoke cover. Even still, though, air quality looks to be fairly okay into tomorrow, but this is something that you might notice, especially if you look maybe towards the eastern sky there. You might just see a little bit of that haze. So the sun rises to the east, you might see a nice little sunrise into tomorrow, but it's mostly going to stay to our east there over Lake Michigan. Then it moves on out of here Wednesday and Thursday. Then we're not going to be dealing with that smoke cover. And you can even see with that waft of smoke that we were talking about near International Falls in the northern part of Wisconsin, they're dealing with moderate air quality. So if that does move towards us, we would just see that air quality go from good to moderate. I don't expect an air quality alert to be issued at this time, but of course we'll be monitoring that to see if that changes. Looking at the bigger picture now too, clouds and radar H equals happy weather. This is a high pressure system. It's right over us right now. What you typically see with those systems is seasonal sunny conditions. And that's pretty much what we saw today. It was a seasonal day. The average high temperature for the last day of July is 82. I think we hit 81 today. So a lot of sunshine there as we zoom in, really not looking at a lot of cloud cover at the moment. Now, as we step through the next few days, we were talking about this earlier. When humidity increases, we typically see more rain chances. Now, I don't expect humidity to be kind of something that you feel tomorrow. So tomorrow we have a high temperature of 85. It'll feel like 85. Just a few clouds here and there as we go into your Tuesday night into Wednesday. That's when our humidity starts to creep up a little bit more. When those dew points are in the mid to upper 60s, that's when it starts to feel a little uncomfortable out there. So I could see a few stray showers possible late Tuesday night and into Wednesday, but it is very likely that we're going to stay dry during this time. This is kind of an exaggeration of what our radar could look like. I really expect most of us, if not all of us, to stay dry this week. If you do get rain, though, consider yourself lucky because that will provide some relief to the humidity that we're seeing here. So you can see just very small chances for rain through the next several days. I think our next better rain chance comes by Saturday, really Friday night into Saturday there. But that dew point temperature, it's going to feel a bit more humid, I think, Wednesday and Thursday especially. So here's kind of what we're looking at here. Temperatures should stay in the 80s themselves, so it's not going to be as hot and humid as it was last week, but I do think that heat index could get into the low to mid 90s as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. So your extended forecast looks like this: 85 for tomorrow, 87 on Wednesday, 89, a little humid there by Thursday, but then we're back in the low to mid 80s by the weekend. A little rain chance on Saturday. Should be dry by next week.